What if the difference between a dead engine at 120,000 miles and one that quietly reaches 300,000 comes down to a 30-second habit most drivers ignore? Same car, same engine, same driver. But one small oil habit can decide whether that engine lives a long life or dies years too early. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Many engines don't fail because they were badly designed. They fail because of simple oil mistakes that slowly cause wear, sludge, and overheating inside the engine. By the time the driver notices something wrong, the repair bill is already waiting, often $3,000 to $8,000. Today, we're breaking down the oil habits experienced mechanics quietly follow in their own cars, and why those habits protect engines far better than most people realize. And stick around, because the final mistake we'll talk about is something millions of drivers are doing right now, and it slowly destroys engines without triggering any warning light. Section 1. The biggest oil myth drivers believe. Ask most drivers how to protect their engine, and they'll say the same thing. Just follow the owner's manual. That sounds logical, but here's what most drivers don't realize. Owner's manuals are written around three priorities: emissions regulations, fuel economy targets, and warranty coverage. They are not always optimized for maximum engine lifespan. Think of it this way. The manual gives you the minimum maintenance needed to keep the engine healthy during its expected service life. But if your goal is 250,000 or even 300,000 miles, that baseline may not be enough. Experienced mechanics understand this difference. They don't wait until oil is completely worn out. They replace it before protection begins to fade. Because once oil chemistry breaks down, wear accelerates fast, and that damage can never be undone. Section 2. The hidden enemy: fuel dilution. Modern engines face a problem older engines rarely had: fuel dilution. In direct injection engines, small amounts of fuel can slip past the piston rings and mix with the oil. That fuel thins the oil, weakening the protective film between metal parts. Thinner oil means more friction means more heat, and more heat means faster internal wear. This problem becomes worse when a car is used mainly for short trips, stop-and-go driving, or frequent cold starts. Under those conditions, fuel contamination in oil can climb dramatically, quietly reducing the engine's protection. Section 3. Lab testing reveals the truth. Engine oil laboratories regularly test used oil from real vehicles. These tests measure wear metals, tiny particles of iron, aluminum, and copper that come from engine components. And what they consistently show is this: when oil runs too long, those wear metals increase significantly. That extra wear might not destroy an engine today, but over 100,000 miles, it adds up. Small increases in friction today often become major engine repairs years later. Section 4. The oil habit experienced mechanics follow. It's surprisingly simple. They change oil before it stops protecting the engine, not after. Instead of pushing oil to the maximum interval every time, they adjust maintenance based on real driving conditions: hot climates, heavy traffic, short trips, or turbocharged engines. It's not about wasting oil, it's about preventing the slow buildup of wear that shortens an engine's life. Section 5. The 30-second habit that saves engines. There's another habit technicians follow that most drivers never do. They check their oil level regularly. Modern engines can naturally consume small amounts of oil. Half a quart every few thousand miles isn't unusual, especially in turbocharged engines. But if the oil level drops too low, three things happen quickly. Oil temperature rises, oil pressure becomes unstable, and the oil pump may briefly draw air during acceleration or cornering. Those short moments of oil starvation can damage bearings, camshafts, and turbochargers long before any warning light appears. That's why experienced mechanics check their oil every few weeks or every 1,000 to 2,000 miles. It takes less than 30 seconds, but it can prevent catastrophic engine damage. Section 6. Real-world teardown observations.
When mechanics open high-mileage engines that were well-maintained, the difference is obvious. The camshafts are smooth, bearings are clean, internal surfaces show minimal wear. But engines that ran low on oil often tell a different story. Scorched bearings, metal debris, and heavy heat damage throughout the engine. And the surprising part? The difference usually isn't oil brand, it's oil level and maintenance habits. Section 7. Why cold starts are the most dangerous moment. One of the harshest moments in an engine's life happens every morning. After sitting overnight, most of the oil drains back into the oil pan. When the engine starts, many components are briefly running with minimal lubrication. Oil pressure builds quickly, but full circulation and temperature stabilization take longer. This is why engine durability studies consistently show that a large percentage of engine wear occurs during cold starts. The solution isn't long idling. Instead, start the engine, wait about 10 to 20 seconds, then drive gently. Light driving warms the engine faster and restores proper lubrication much more efficiently.